back to Draw for Fun with Kevin. Today we're going to do Patrick from Spongebob. I get a lot of requests for Spongebob stuff still, and I know my kids love them. So we'll do Patrick. Alright, I'm going to start off with Patrick's eyes. Get your paper, get your pencil. We're just going to draw two big eyes. One. And two. Just like that. And we're just going to color in a little pupil form right here. And over here the same. Okay, and if you have any requests on the channel, definitely let me know. Okay, and we'll try to get to them. I'm always looking for ideas for what you guys want to draw. Right from under his eye right there, where I just made a dot, we're going to come down. We're going to draw a big smile, because you know Patrick. He's got that big goopy smile. Okay, right on, touch that line and come out just a little bit right there. We're going to come down and over, and we're going to make his head, so we're going to go straight up, right, and come over on the other side above his eye, right, come up here, big cone head, and then come down. Okay, and we're going to erase in here. I wanted to make it a little wider, so right, so just come down. There we have his head. Now let's give him two eyebrows. And do one like that, and the other one about here, because he always has that surprised look on his face. Okay, and we're going to color those in. Okay, on this one he's wearing a sweater. We're going to make him wear a sweater, so we're going to draw a line there, come over this side of his head, right, draw a line there, and then we're going to come over and up, come over and up. Okay, now we'll just make that go all the way across, and we'll give him some lines in between here. Okay, now from there we're going to touch over here. We're going to come down, stop, and make a big belly all the way to there. Okay, now come back up to his neck right here, right, and what we're going to do is come down at an angle, right, swoop it over, and stop right there. Now right from there, draw a small semicircle, and then finish it off touching back into his sleeve again. Right over here we're going to come up and draw his sleeve. Okay, and again we're going to make those nice little lines that show his sweater, because this is going to be the cup of his shirt sleeve. Okay, now that's one hand done. Let's attach this over here. We can go right to his waistband here. Right, let's give him the bottom of his sweater. Just draw that line over till you touch his hand, and then we're going to give him some more little lines like this. Okay, okay, now we got to do his shorts, so we're starting right from there. Okay, come down, go over, and then up. Now right at the top of that line, go across, and then go down, over, and up. Okay, he's pretty simple to draw, huh? Now let's give him some feet. Patrick's just got, since he's a starfish, he just has two little points for feet. He doesn't really have toes or anything, so we're just going to do that. And come over here on this side, do the same thing. Come down, Out like that. And that's Patrick's feet. Now come over here, about right here at this point. Alright, we're going to draw his other hand, and that again is just another little rounded point. Now these get colored in pink, or whatever color Patrick is. I believe it's pink, right? Now to make his eyes just a little more expressive, we could give him eyebrows, but we're just going to leave him the way he is and decorate his shorts a little bit. Right? In this scene, it was like a beach scene. He was kind of dressed for the summer in his shorts, which was weird, and in the winter he had a sweater on. But no one ever says these cartoons make sense. But all I'm doing is that to decorate his shorts. Now it's time to color Patrick in. Okay, let's go. Okay, there's Patrick. He's all colored in, and I think he looks pretty good. I like his colors. So if you want to email me, I'll put my link into the description, and you guys can email me your pictures if you draw on the channel with me, and let me see yours. Alright, until the next video, I'm Kevin. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.